Okay, so how to add Retribution to other heroes in Battlefront 2 or BF2? As usual, I'm not gonna tell you how to install mod and all of that. So first, Frosty Toolsuite, GitHub, here, Frosty Editor and Frosty Mod Manager. Okay, now let's just say I want to add Retribution to Darth Vader. Go to Gameplay, Kits, Hero, Darth Vader. Open GP Hero Darth Vader. Here, open it. Now open AffectorsAppliedOnSpawn here and click on the plus icon here. Add new item. Click it and we'll null it over here. Okay. Now go to Anakin, Affectors, Retribution, Affector Anakin Retribution here, and assign it by clicking arrow here, like that. Okay. Now open abilities, all abilities, and default abilities. Now click plus in here in abilities, add new item. We'll add new null here, and in default abilities, click plus as well. Here, we'll add null here. Okay. Now go to Anakin, abilities, Retribution, default ability Anakin Retribution. Click it and assign it on bot null. Done. Yeah, that's it. Literally simple as that. Just export it here and load it in Frosty Mod Manager. As usual, private server and offline only for the market ban. Okay, bye.